In this video, we are going to continue working on the file that we just opened, and we are going to create some details for the second floor's window sill around this area. Eventually, when you have the details of the window sill around the model that we just pointed out, you should have something like this. And for this exercise, we would like to create something that will give us end result like this, shown in the right side of this picture. And for the next exercise, we also would like to create some wood blocking right under the window sill. So we're going to use some tools to do that. So now let's get started. Go to your sections and click section 2. This is the section view. And this one, it looks like it is a sort of like call out. And actually this is the cross-section view, which is named as exterior detail type. If we click that, that should bring us directly to the sections. And we also like to create a call-out view, which is going to be focusing on the second floors around this region. Call-out. This is something we are going to work with. And double-click this circle. That should bring us the area that we would like to work with. As I already explained it in the PowerPoint slide, and we want to get rid of this part. Now, it looks like everything is very similar to AutoCAD, since we are working with the 2D CAD drawings. And just go to the region. Field region, and we are just going to use this tool and also make sure we don't, because we don't want this part to show, so we would like to use the invisible lines, and I would like to start from here all the way up to here. And now let's click OK. So it looks like the majority of this has already been blocked out. And obviously we want this line to show, right? So we can just click this part and edit boundary, and then this part of the line I want to show this kind of a medium line, and this line I also want to show as the medium. And this part I want to first see. Okay, now I just want to use the arrow key to block out this part a little bit. So now I think it's not too bad. If you're not happy with this, you can adjust a little bit. So just make sure this is cover the line over here. So now I think this is something I want. But of course, if you like to change the detailed view of this a little bit, so you don't want to show the right part of it, you can drag this. And if you want to show a little more on this side, well, you can drag up. And if you don't want to show the bottom part, you can do something like that. And also in the next video, we would like to add some wood blocking. In order to do that, I would like to prepare something, a region that I would like to annotate the wood block. Since this portion already has some filled region, I want to block this part like the hatch line out. So click region and mask region. We can use this tool, and we want to use a, let's say, thin line or medium line. And I want this to be 1 inch. I think now it's not 1 inch yet, but I think it's okay. We can always change it later. At the boundary, one inch. So now I think this is the right size I want. So you can see the hatch line in this area has been blocked out. And that's it for this video, and we're going to continue to use this to model the wood blocking.